In this video, I'll detail how to make phone calls on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can put a call through on your Apple Watch Series 9, or how you can call any contact you do not save on your Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So before you can make a phone call on your Apple Watch Series 9, there are two ways to go about it. You can make a phone call on your Apple Watch connected to your iPhone, or if you're using the Apple Watch Series 9 with GPS and cellular, you can easily make a phone call with your eSIM installed on your Apple Watch. So if you have a SIM added to your Apple Watch Series 9 under the mobile service, you can see I don't have any SIM card here. So if you have eSIM installed on your Apple Watch, you can make a phone call straight on it without connecting your Apple Watch to your iPhone. But in most cases, without eSIM, all you need to do is make sure your Apple Watch and your iPhone are paired together and both the devices are within the range. So once they're within the range, you can make a phone call on your Apple Watch and the call will go through directly on your iPhone. So you don't need to hold your iPhone, or you don't need to get hold of your iPhone. Now to do this, I just need to do is press the digital crown once. Click on the phone app. This. Now once you click on that, scroll down and click on the dialer app at the top left. Now type in the contact you want to put a call through to on your Apple Watch Series 9. Then, once you can confirm the contact, go ahead and click on the dial app. So once you click on the dial app, this is going to put the call through to the number like this. Now, alternatively, you can just put this call through on your Apple Watch Series 9 via the contact app. You can also press the digital crown to access the contact app. Click on the phone app and then click on contact underneath it. This is going to open the contact app on your Apple Watch. Or go to the app menu like this and locate the contact app, then click on it. Then locate the contact you want to call on your Apple Watch, just like this. Then if you see the contact information, then go ahead and click on the phone call button. Then once you dial that, you see the contact go through on your Apple Watch. So this is how you can easily make a phone call or call anyone on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.